Tagalog English Translation. Puwede ko bang mahiram 'yan sandali? May I borrow that for a second? Nakapila ka ba? Are you in line? Puwede ko bang gamitin 'to? Can I use this? Paano kung humindi siya? What if he says no? Wala akong pake. I don't care. Kapag malungkot ka, tawagan mo lang ako. When you're sad, just call me. Tatawagan kita kapag handa na ako. I'll call you when I'm ready. Ayaw ko kapag nangyayari ito. I hate it when this happens. Wala akong oras para diyan. I have no time for that. Buhay mo yan. That's your life. Bahala ka. It's up to you. Hindi ko sasayangin ang oras ko para lang diyan. I won't waste my time just for that. Gawin mo ang gusto mo. Do what you want. Hindi ako nababahala. I'm not bothered. Sayang lang sa oras ko. Not worth my time. Wala talaga akong pakialam. I really don't care. Problema mo yan. Your problem, not mine. Mukha bang may pake ako? Do I look like I care? Ba't ako mababahala? Why would I be bothered? Hindi ako nababahala. I'm not bothered. Hindi naman importante yan eh. That's not even important. Hindi kita marinig. Sige, magsalita ka lang. I can't hear you. Keep talking. Sasabihin ko kapag nakita kita. I'll tell you when I see you. Gawin natin kapag dumating na siya. Let's do it when he comes. Parang madaling gawin kapag ikaw ang gumagawa. It looks easy when you do it. Tingnan mo ako kapag kinakausap kita. Look at me when I talk to you. Pupunta tayo kapag tumina na ang ulan. We'll go when it stops raining. Tatawagan kita kapag handa na ako. I call you when I'm ready. Kapag nakikita ko siya, naiisip ko ang tatay ko. When I see him, I think of my father. Kapag nalilito ka, tanungin mo lang ako. When you're confused, just ask me. Alam ko kapag may bumabagabag sa'yo. I know when something's bothering you. Maging magalang ka kapag nagtatanong. Try to be polite when asking. Ibigay mo sa akin yan kapag tapos ka na. Give me that when you're done. Kapag umuulan, masarap magkape. When it's raining, it's nice to have coffee. Kakausapin kita kapag may oras ka na. I'll talk to you when you're free. Kapag maganda na ang panahon, labas tayo. When the weather's already good, let's go out.